Hey guys, it's Alex from Alex Dares You, and today, as you've seen in the title, we're going to be putting these cleats in the washing machine. And as you can see, they are very dirty. They have dirt on them, mud, and we're going to be seeing if this works. And stay tuned to see the results. So you get a towel, put it in, gives it some protection in there, and then you just put in the cleats themselves, and yeah. Then you just want to put it, well, I put it on quick wash. Right here will be 25-minute wash. Put the settings on cold, medium spin, light soil, and then the rest doesn't matter. You put your detergent and just dump it in there like you regularly would. Excuse me. And you just start it up, and yeah, let's see how this goes.
Census, baby.
Alright, now that we see the cleats after they're done washing, you see that they come out like there's no dirt, no mud, and they look brand new. So I guess this passed the test. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it, and yeah.